Right, interesting job here at DPF Doctor HQ this morning. As you can see by the tone eye, this Nissan Qashqai has been recovered into us with crazy DPF back pressure caused by common boost pipe splitting on top there, which has now been replaced, so the vehicle will run only just. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure the pressure, take a reading of it, and we'll check back in 2 or 3 hours and we'll recheck the pressures just to show you the difference before and after clean, because we know that this will be an extreme case. So we'll pop the ramp up and we'll take a pressure reading. Okay, what we're going to do is we've already run a gauge in here to measure the pressure. So if we can come in here with the camera, we'll get a reading of it. And this is our auto start. It's not really, we've got someone in the car, but it sounds good. As you can see here, we're heading towards 4,000 millibar. Okay, moment of truth here for this Nissan Qashqai. We took a video this morning of this at 10:15 this morning. Crazy DPF pressure in this one, the highest we've ever seen, 3,800 millibar at idle. So to say this came in, it was towed into us at 10 o'clock this morning. We took a video 10:15. We're now just after 1:45 in the afternoon, so we've got it rigged up on the ramp, idling, car's running happy. So let's have a look and see what the DPF pressure is. This is the biggest test yet for the JLM kit. So let's switch the gauge on, and as you can see, hopefully you can get out the video there, we are around 6 millibar. We're fluctuating from just below 5.9 to 6 millibar at idle. Amazing result there. So just to prove on an extreme case, DPF Doctor, combine the JLM, the system works.